Are you waving at the plane? You waving at the plane? I don't think they can see you. Plane, yes, plane. Oh, too cute. Just getting out for a little bit of a hike in a local area. It's kind of a nice spot. Great place for bird watching. Let's see. There must be a beaver around here. There's quite the dam going on. All the trees in this area are just chomped right off. Look at this dam. It's been a busy little guy. Too bad we didn't see him. Watch, he'll sneak up behind us and go chomp, chomp, chomp. So this area is actually pretty unique. I believe back in the 1980s there was a plane crash right by EIA, International Airport, and a bunch of cattle died, and there's actually some remnants of it back in here. This also used to be like a pretty big little party area back in the 80s, 90s, 2000s. I definitely have some good memories in here. Used to be a big quadding, recreational, off-roading area. However, now the city is taking it over and they have all these paved paths, but they've kept a lot of it natural, which is quite nice. So yeah, and there's also a BMX area back in here now. Kind of a cool thing. Check out this, guys. It's like a little teepee that somebody built. Definitely something cool that somebody's built over the center of the path here. Let's see if I can back up and get a better angle. Built a little bench. This area does connect up with some paved paths, but this area is huge. So this section in here used to be known as what I used to call it, the Party Bowl. But I think this might be future area of BMX park, which would be kind of cool. And there used to be remnants of the airplane down in here, but I think all of it has been taken out. But I know there's some back in those bushes. Alright, and this whole area is located right next to the lake in the community where I'm from. Okay, when life gives you a choice to take a paved path or a dirt, always choose the dirt. It's less followed, and most likely you'll see a hell of a lot more along the way. And another teepee. Wouldn't have seen that along the paved. Cars, I think. She's waving like crazy and shit. Used to come down here all the time as a kid, quadding, geocaching. There's trails all throughout here, which is pretty awesome. I hope that they keep a lot of it natural instead of paving it all. But let's see what we can all find. Definitely the quadding paths that we used to come in on. Sorry, my camera. Kid's rocking me from side to side. Taping with a kid on the back is not an easy task. Are you being funny? Hey guys, I've been coming down here for years. This is obviously fairly new, but I don't know if I've ever actually been down Viv's trail. So, it was a pretty nice trail, Viv. I'm also wondering if Viv made all the teepees. Because these weren't all down here as kids, these are all new. Alright guys, this is what you call ridge walking on the prairies. So that's the hill. We've got another hill that way. And we're walking the ridge. See, there's the valley. Alright guys, so I actually found the location of the plane crash. I mean, stuff was scattered all over these bushes. People have ditched cars here over the years. Let's see what we got back in here. Whole bunch of shit. Tubing. Let's see if we can find any more. It says it's closed for construction. I didn't see any construction, and I've seen lots of people. But, if you want more information, was that a plane? Hard to see, but they have officially formed into groups of 3, and I think that's actually how they're coming into land. Group of 3.
Don't forget to hit that bell notification and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for following us along.